Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best festive wreaths in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. AMF0 RESJ Artificial Fall Wreath for Front Door Autumn Door Wreath with Rose Leaves, Dry Vine Branches for Indoor-Outdoor Farmhouse Home Wall Window Festival Wedding Decor. Unique design and handcraft. The fall wreath is handmade of top and safe materials. Each one is unique, specially handmade. Welcome your guests with this door wreath. Hang it on your front door for a garden-inspired touch. If you are looking for that wreath to embellish your seasonal decor, this is the decorative wreath for you, or gift one to your family or friends. Anywhere, any season. Artificial wreaths are an easy way to bring the season into your indoor space, and our vibrant color will look great for years to come. You may add other garland and swag ornaments or colorful flowers to make it unique and diversify. It is perfect decoration for any door or room of the house. Number 4. Violet Evergarden 20-inch Artificial Fall Wreath with Pumpkins and Maple Leaf Orange Fall Door Wreaths Farmhouse and Thanksgiving Fall Wreaths for Front Door. Artificial Fall Door Wreath. This autumn door wreath is full of autumn elements: orange maple leaves, fall leaves, mature pumpkins, mini bumpkins and berries, plump ears. We perfectly match these elements to make this orange wreath full and realistic. It will bring you a strong flavor of autumn. Wooden sign. The wooden Home Sweet Home sign fits well with the theme of the front door wreath, home decor, and Thanksgiving celebration. It is separated from the pumpkin wreath, so you can decorate it on other seasonal wreaths after autumn. Fall home decor. This harvest wreath is suitable for front door, wall, window, and farmhouse decor. It can absolutely make your home closer to fall and add festive atmosphere for Thanksgiving Day celebration. Number 3. Twinkle Star Halloween Lighted Wreath. Pre-lit black wreaths with rose and feathered crow light up 20 LED purple lights. Natural vines with artificial leaves. Front door wall Halloween decorations. Halloween Black Wreath. Pre-lit Halloween wreath decorated with black crow, black leaves, black rose, black branches, and skeleton hand on a sturdy natural vine base. Has a realistic visual effects and spooky feel. Perfect for Halloween decor and looks spooky indoor or outdoor covered porch. Vine wreath diameter 9 inches. Unfolded wreath diameter 14-15 inches. The wreath is packed in a 13 box, so you need unfold it fully to achieve its actual size. Light up your Halloween. 20 LED purple lights surround the wreath, emitting a faint ghostly purple light in the dark. They are very vivid, emit a terrifying mood, creating a terror atmosphere. Perfect for decorating your home to create a spooky ambience during the Halloween season with our Halloween decorations. Number 2. JFLO WARU Artificial Fall Wreath 20-inch Autumn Wreath for Front Door Thanksgiving Wreaths with colorful daisies for Wall Window Harvest Festival celebration. Artificial Fall Wreath. This fall wreath is rich in flowers, including yellow and orange daisies, clusters of wild flowers, berries, and autumn leaves. The overall look is consistent with the autumn color, which is very suitable for autumn. Size: 20 inches. This autumn wreath is packed in a 13.5-inch box, so you need unfold it fully to achieve its actual size. It may take some time, but you will be satisfied with the final effect. Versatile decor. This colorful fall wreath is suitable for front door, window wall, fireplace, and farmhouse decor. Hang this autumn wreath wherever you need a touch of autumn to celebrate the season and Thanksgiving Harvest Festival. Number 1. LNYLC Admanix 18 Fall Wreath for Front Door. Farmhouse Autumn Wreath with brown eucalyptus berry for windows, bedroom, outside. Beautiful design. This autumn wreath for the front door consists of various fall elements, creating a romantic autumn look with its wonderful and seasonal style. Our fall door wreaths are an ideal choice for seasonal decoration. Perfect size. This 18 fall door wreath is just perfect for both indoor and outdoor decoration. Wherever you put it on the front door or in the doorway, it could make your home or farmhouse more feel like autumn. Lifelike foliage. With delicate handcraft and high-quality material, our fall door wreath looks like real foliage with a vivid appearance. NELTIFUNCTIONAL application. The on wreath can be placed on your front door or hung above your fireplace.